here we have a set of some gorgeous wooden magnetic trains and train cars. As someone who got a birthday card from Thomas the Tank Engine until she was about 9 years old, I can attest to the fun of trains. But one of the things that is really fantastic about these is the magnetic connection. So not only do we not need batteries for these, but there is the real learning that happens from going, oh, why doesn't this side connect, but this side does? Eventually you can move into the science behind monopoles and magnets, but for now it's just about figuring out how do we connect them, and if we do, it means that we can drag them along. The beautiful thing about open-ended play, and particularly things like this, is that we can really get into the role play aspect of it. It's one of my favourite ways to stimulate our babies' imaginations and really get them into that creative mindset. We can pretend that we're the controller, or maybe we're going on a trip, and we've also of course got some gorgeous different colours to focus on. So perhaps we only want to connect the red ones. Oops, needs to go this way. And then if that is the way that we're going, that needs to go here. Oh, the little one is going to I just completely stuffed my words, but the little one is dragging the big one. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3. The other thing that we can do is we can associate colours of transport to different kinds of transport. I suppose cars, you would say. Fire engine perhaps. Maybe it's a blue bus. Maybe green is a garbage truck. And of course, when we get them all together, it's a competition. Let's see how many we can join and how many will stay together as we pull them along in a row. Another thing that a lot of kids love to do is lining things up. So putting them all next to each other. This is a sorting and arranging activity, and then perhaps they want to match the colours. Perhaps they want to go from largest to smallest. And of course, we probably could even see if we can balance some on top of each other. These are also a really great thing to combine with things like, for example, on our map that we have here, we've got some lines. So we might decide to use those lines as the road and see if we can follow those shapes around and around, treating this like a track, or maybe creating some beautiful shapes in the dirt or in the grass in a paddock. All of these kind of things just in our environment can add to the scope of playing with things like trains and cars.